But what are you watching as we finish up this peak shipping season, especially as we also see simultaneously these vaccines roll out?
Yeah, we're watching how all of these carriers, the Postal Service, FedEx, UPS, and others are able to miraculously really handle all of this volume surge. Carriers have been operating at peak levels for a while now this year. And so when peak actually came, there was question about what the step up in volume from already stretched networks was going to do. And the carriers have worked the best they can with their customers to try to set expectations, get people to shop ahead of time. But it's not human nature to plan ahead, and last minute shoppers are not going to go away. And everybody's just dealing with the issues they have and managing it the best they can.
Yeah, I mean, FedEx reported results last week, and we saw that stock sell off despite better than expected numbers, really because of, I think, the ground margins, at least on the domestic side. Are costs up for the carriers right now? Is that going to be one of those key things for investors to tune into as we get into earnings season next month?
Yes, costs are certainly up for the carriers, and there's several other factors that have gone into that. Certainly with FedEx, the ground margins were a little bit of a disappointment, but to get ready for such a strong peak that we just talked about, they had to invest in the network ahead of time. And some of those network investments were delayed due to the pandemic and getting permitting and such on facilities to expand the network. And so now it's just a matter of handling all of it and getting through before the return season happens over the next few weeks. So the networks are going to be stretched for a while, and the costs are going to be high, not only from complying with all of the PPE and keeping their workers as safe as they can, but just in handling the immense amount of volume and trying to do it as best they can.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.